Hello my friends, I'm on a 6-week camping adventure by myself, all alone, nobody else, just me and my dirt bikes. I told my wife, I told my daughters, time for me to get away, just me, my soul. Think of it, when you go on vacation, what does not change when you come back? Are you relaxed? Are you still stressed? Usually, yes, because what does not change? You. You don't change. We don't change. So, 6 months ago or so, I decided I am going on my 6-week, I call sabbatical. Sabbatical. Research that word. I told my wife Tammy, I told my 2 beautiful daughters, those of you who've been following, Jessica and Sophia are now 12 and 14. Just turned that age, and I told all 3 of my girls, it's time for Tom to get away. I gotta get away by myself. No buddies, no friends, no nothing. Just me, by myself. I picked the middle of July in Florida, the hottest time of the year, where I know the campground's gonna be totally empty. I know I'm all by myself. Me and my dirt bikes.
Whoa. Oh, good jump. That was a good jump. That felt smooth. Gotta be standing. That's another good one. Yeah, I'm going pretty good here in 3rd gear. You can't second guess the decision. Once you're into it, you gotta make it happen and get that front end up. It's a good time. There's rolling hills through the forest. That you probably can't tell on camera. And I don't sometimes even realize it when I'm riding. But when you stop, look at that sunset back there. Going straight into it. When you stop and look around, then you can see the elevation change. That was fun. I don't know why my right shoulder hurts so much. Oh, I know why. Because I fell on it today. No wonder why it's killing me. Let's get it going. Alright, here we go. Just taking off after a break, and I stopped because my shoulder's been throbbing, my right shoulder, for the last hour of this ride. So while I just stopped, I tried thinking, why, you know? Then I realized, oh yeah, this morning, there's more deer up there. When I was on the 250, I took a hard fall to my right side. And you don't realize you have an injury usually till the next day. I found that on this trip, that's for sure. You don't know the next, sometimes 2 days before you realize what injuries you got. But that fall this morning, oh, let me get going here. Thank you, Tom, thank you. I'm talking and riding. It's like texting and driving a car, it's not too smart. I fell this morning and hit my right shoulder, but I didn't think anything of it at the time. Now I realize I must have given it a good bash. Lucky I got the chest protector on. Really a badass one. I got the Leat necklace that fits into it, but I know where I'm at. But I don't